Hello everybody. Welcome back. I am back. What's up?
That was the first time I did that without falling.
And yo, I'm back.
Would you be able to do that?
Like how much I've fucking grown over the years, bro. Holy shit.
The homosexual energy.
But yeah, so yeah, this is Dark Wolf, and I have a new YouTube channel, and it's called TrashPanda. Uppercase T, no space, uppercase P, TrashPanda, space, redo, R-E-D-U-X, TrashPanda Redo.
Hey yo, dope.
Yes, I say Redux though. Thanks for joining in the commentary of my fucking vlog.
Get his twin.
You know, I haven't used this channel in over like 5+ years.
I don't think it's camera facing you. Unless it is.
Unless he's a pervert.
I don't think it is. Is it?
Do you watch kids?
This is the return video. What the fuck are you doing?
I'm trying to see.
Yes.
So yeah, Wolf here, guys. My name is TrashPanda now. Go.
Name's actually Dylan.
Shut the fuck up. Go subscribe to my new channel. Go subscribe to my new channel, please. I'd respect you for it, guys. And I know the last time I actually posted some content was in fucking was in 2019. I got like 1,000 views on a stupid Roblox video. But yeah, I know my channel was mainly focused on Roblox content, but I don't do that content anymore. That's kind of for kids. I'm not a kid anymore. So please subscribe to my new channel.
I will poke you in this comment.
Make sure you look into the comments. I'll get on my new channel and I'll type subscribe to me, you know, on my TrashPanda Redux
That's
account.
kids in his basement. There we go.
Okay.
I don't have kids in my basement, but yeah, welcome back. I will post content on this channel again, but please subscribe to my new channel. Yeah, that's basically all. And I'm gonna continue with the vlog, anyways. But do you guys do you guys wanna be in the vlog?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey,
So-
Dylan's mom.
Why?
You saw my nostril once.
Supposed to be anonymous on this account. You shouldn't say my fucking name. It's Wolf.
You could fucking just beep it out.
I can't. I can't. I'm not that skilled at editing.
Just send the file
Dumb
to me.
bitch.
I'll do it.
I can't.
I'm gonna take this. Hey.
I don't know how to do that. I'm fucking retarded. I'm not part of Gen Z. I'm a millennial. Anyways, what's up, guys? I know I was a super innocent kid, like in fucking 2017, but you know, yeah. I've been on YouTube ever since 2013. I'm an OG, and I'm back. So what's up? Anyways, but yeah, that was the message. To subscribe to my new YouTube channel.
Subscribe to his fucking channel, dick.
Yeah,
Bart.
I'll type subscribe to me
I'm sorry, I was kidnapped.
on my new YouTube channel in the comments, so make sure you look at the comments. And please stay subscribed to this channel because I will be posting content, okay? And I know I said that twice now, but you know. Anyways, we're gonna continue on with this fucking vlog. Please don't demonetize me, YouTube. Anyways, what's up?
Inch matters.
They're giving me a hug, and it fucking hurts. Oh god,
I'll give you one
it hurts.
too.
It hurts. It hurts. Oh god, what are you doing to me?
Step
So, I'm not your step bro. I'm your step bro.
That's
go away.
considered
I'm your
sexual assault
stepdad.
in some countries.
Oh, and the viewers that have stayed true to this
Showing
YouTube
that
channel
much
ever
me is
since I was
sexual
a
assault
fucking
in
kid.
some countries.
Look how much I've grown, bro. What the fuck?
Except for me.
Like, I used to be a little boy, like, just playing Roblox and shit, and posting these shitty ass, low quality, very blurry, bright screened video of Minecraft and
And all you
GTA
see
5.
on the top of the screen is www.bandicam.com.
www xxxvideos.org.
Oh. And that just,
.com.
this video was originally posted at www.xvideos.com.
Alright.
I am at school, guys. And,
not.
yeah.
No, he's at the set, the porn set.
This isn't school. Never mind. I said that wrong.
It's actually...
This is Area 51. Welcome to Area 51, buddies. Welcome to Area 51. We got fucking Moist Critical here. And he is kind of beating it out over there. Yeah. So, what the fuck? T-pose.
One of us.
One of us. One of us. One of us. One of us. One of us. One of us. One of us. One of us. Start spinning in circles. One of us. 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 What the fuss? Okay, now we're gonna change it up a bit. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper.
Can everybody put a shoe in?
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac,
You don't put a shoe in
Whopper.
your fucking pussy.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac,
Listen,
Whopper.
bro, it's really hard to take this on and off, so I'm not gonna do it. No!
Big Mac, Whopper.
Give me your shoe.
Hamburger,
Take it off,
cheeseburger,
pussy.
Big Mac, Whopper.
Let's go again.
Oh yes, fucking weeaboo cringe. God damn it. Yo, can I get the hairline pass so I can fix my hairline? Like, I need the hairline pass.
Skirt, skirt.
Who's ready to do the T-pose? And commence with the ritual. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper. You know what? Y'all keep singing, but I'm gonna...
Big Mac, Whopper.
I'm just gonna say, I wonder what these fucking people think over there. Like, they're just watching us.
No, I got something.
Yo, subscribe to the channel, people over there. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper.
Fuck this shit. Not a pussy, I just don't feel like retying my shoes. Not a pussy. Whee!
So yeah, Area 51, as you can see, things are kind of crazy. So yeah, there's nothing we can really do, but yeah. What's up, guys? This is your Roblox nerd, and I'm back, and I don't play Roblox anymore. So if you guys are waiting for some more Roblox content, I'm sorry. This is not gonna happen. Unless you spam the comment section and say, Roblox, yay! I'll give you Roblox, okay? But no. No. I'm a grown man. I'm a grown man.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop you some bitches.
Are you squeaking?
No bitches. No bitches.
What should I do? Can I pick you up?
No bitches.
Water style, no.
This video is probably gonna
have a
get
good
demonetized
pickup
for me
line.
cursing. Because YouTube's a
You're not gonna
fucking
be able to
pussy.
pick you up bridal style.
I can pick you up bridal style. Oh, sorry. Some piece of garbage.
Area 51. Area 51. Give me my hat back, please.
You want this?
I'm physically able to.
Area 51. Area 51. Oh, also, my fellow viewers.
You want the
subscribers.
bitches? You can't handle the bitches.
Shout out to my boy
can
Gold
pick them
Swag
up
Gamer
normally,
400. Gold Swag Gamer 400.
Shout out to my boy.
I'm pretty
Garchomp
sure
808.
he's gonna comment on this video because, you know, he kind of wanted me to do this because he's my boy. But he does
You're my spouse. Without you, I'm a vegetable.
quality content on his channel that does feature me, like a feat sort of, where like we play games together, and he posts it on his channel. So shout out to my boy Gold Swag Gamer 400. And what's your YouTube channel?
Garchomp 808.
Shout out to my boy Garchomp 808.
Yo, 112% Steel Soul Hollow Knight. Check it out.
Yeah, check him out. He posts some quality shit.
You say yo-yo 808?
Garchomp 808. You have my YouTube channel. I sent you a video for it the other day.
Yeah, I know.
Yo, make sure you comment on this video, bro.
I will.
Oh shit. Because I want my viewers to like be able to directly access
Peace
your
out.
YouTube channel.
Peace out, fucker.
So I guess that's the end of the vlog. Because he just said peace out.
No.
And it's kind of going on to what the hell?
You're our Lord and Savior, me master.
Imagine getting banned by black people.
Fucking where you boo bitches?
I probably shouldn't.
Where you boo bitches, I'm in.
Slavery.